What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to disable or enable comments on TikTok videos. So if you want people to comment on your videos, or if you don't want anyone to comment on your videos, here is exactly how you can do it. It's very fast and easy. Let's get started right now. What you want to do, guys, you want to open your TikTok, and after that you want to click your profile at the very bottom right, and then you want to click three lines in the top right corner, and then you want to click settings and privacy, the second option. All right, now you want to click privacy, as you can see here, and after that you want to scroll down a little bit where it says comments. You want to click comments, and then you want to click here they are saying, TikTok says, who can comment on your videos and stories. So if people can't comment on your videos, that's probably because you selected no one. Okay, when you select no one is going to be able to comment on your videos. If you want people to comment on your videos, you want them to have access to comments, you want to just check everyone. You want to click everyone. But if you don't want anyone to comment on your videos, you want to click no one. Okay, just click no one, and no one is going to be able to comment on your videos. If this doesn't work, you want to go to, if you want to do this on a specific video, like you want to turn on comments on a specific video, just want to click the video that you want. You just want to click the video, and then click three little dots at the very bottom right, and then you want to click, you want to swipe to the right, and then you want to click privacy settings, and here you want to click on allow comments. Okay, here you can select to allow comments if you want. Okay, that's all you need to do, guys. If this video helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.